A strategic research cluster, SRC in abbreviation, is a particular way of coordinating the efforts of different consortia that will receive EC operational grants. The final aim of the SRC is to produce at the end of a period a major demonstration of technology. The technology subject of this video is space robotics. Space robotics is fundamental for space exploration and utilization. Let's look at the expansion of human activities from Earth to space. The red arrow represents an increasing distance from Earth into space. In low Earth orbit we find the first human infrastructure, the International Space Station. It has been built by means of robots. More robots will be used for future infrastructure. Higher up, several robot servicing concepts have been proposed to increase the capability and efficiency of geostationary satellites. Robots built to operate in absence of gravity, atmosphere and exclusively on man-made objects serve these orbital applications. Further away we have robots on the Moon and Mars to initially explore and later support colonization. Finally, another category of robots is exploring the smaller bodies of the solar system. Planetary robots work in presence of gravity, possibly very small, interacting mostly with the natural environment. The Space Robotics SRC will develop its activities in 5 years of the program by structuring its work in 3 development tracks: 1 planetary track, 1 orbital track and a track that will focus on common building blocks used by both orbital and planetary applications. In 3 sequential calls, the tracks will rely on operational grants with specific subjects defined by a roadmap. The grants will progressively prepare technology towards final high-profile flight demonstrations intended for the 2023 to 2024 timeframe. Once the operational grants of the present call will have been awarded, a second stage of the roadmap will detail and focus the topics for the second call. Finally, in the last stage of the roadmap, the mission studies preparing for the final demonstrations will be defined in time for the last call of the SRC. In the 2016 call we have taken a complete robotic system and we have extracted the 5 main most common features to be the building blocks for constructing the following steps of the SRC. Each of this building block has been the subject of a separate operational grant or OG. In 2018 call, the common building blocks shall be used. In order to warrant the transition of the IPR produced in one call of the SRC and or across different recipients of operational grants, all beneficiaries in the SRC must sign up to a collaboration agreement, CA, that allows the unrestricted circulation of IPR within the SRC. The CA goes on top of all the other agreements foreseen in the EC grant. For what regards the 2018 call, the CA provides the means by which the BBs will be passed on to the grantees of the 2018 call. Those BBs will be updated and passed to the new grantees on dedicated milestones.